You do not need a huge following to start making money online, but you do need the right mindset and the right tools. This is how I use Canva and the right mindset shift to turn nothing into something. Welcome back to my Business 5, where your mindset matters and your business thrives. So whether you're growing your side hustle or stepping fully into entrepreneurship, this is your space right here for business motivation and smart tools. So let's get into it. You can sell anything. Yeah, you can sell anything, but first you gotta believe it. So let's start with this. You already have what it takes to sell anything. Most people aren't stuck because of lack of talent. They're stuck because of mindset, right? So I myself had to break free from the 9-to-5 conditioning. The idea that trading time for money was the only way. So the moment I said, wait a minute, what if it could be easy? What if people actually need what I offer, right? So that's when everything changed for me. So I stopped asking, how was I going to do it? And started acting like I had already done it. I started creating like I already had the audience. I marketed like I had already had customers waiting on me. And so I positioned myself like I was already thriving because I believed it. So that mental shift activated everything, because selling isn't about convincing people. It's about connecting with the people who already need what you have, right? So what you need is the right tools and the right mindset. And Canva is one of the tools that bridges that gap. So once your mindset is in check, now it's time to build something. So Canva is my go-to because you don't need to be a designer. Canva makes it easy to show up online professionally, even if you're brand new. So here's what you can build in Canva. Lead magnets. These are freebies like checklists or mini guides or swipe files that attract your audience and grow your email list, right? So for example, a guide talking about 5 ways to start a side hustle in 2025, right? So in Canva, you can design it, you can brand it, and then make it instantly downloadable. You can create digital products within Canva. We all know what digital products are, right? Selling ebooks, planners, guides, or social media templates that you create once and sell it over and over again. Pure digital income. Content templates such as social media carousels, Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails, and quote graphics. So now let's talk about how Canva can actually be the business, because Canva isn't just a design tool alone, it's a business tool. So here are 3 Canva-based business ideas you can start. First, selling Canva templates, right? You can create editable templates for planners, resumes, business cards, social media, almost anything, right? You'll then upload them to your digital product stores such as Beacons, Stand Store, Shopify, and sell with a personal use license, no physical shipping, all digital, all profit, right? You can also create and sell website/landing page templates. Yep. Canva now lets you build websites. You can create sleek, mobile-friendly landing pages for coaches, digital sellers, or any entrepreneur or small business owner. You can bundle them or sell them individually. And the best part, you don't need to know code. You'll avoid any tech headaches. You'll just drag and drop and publish. And yes, there are people making real money from this. Third, freelance Canva services. You can offer design services using Canva. Busy entrepreneurs will pay you to do this. You can create, again, lead magnets, brand their social media, design course slide decks, build event or product flyers for them. And even if you're just a little bit creative and know how to make things look good, Canva will be your goldmine and can be the gateway to your freelance career. So why does this matter? Most people don't get stuck on the what, they get stuck on the how. They may know what they want, but don't know how to make it or do it. Or they just don't have the time to do it, especially if they're a solo entrepreneur or a solo business owner. So those people are out there looking for you right now, looking for your service, looking for your advice. They just haven't seen it yet. And of course, Canva gives you no excuses. You can start with a free option and it's beginner friendly. So again, you already have the power to sell anything. Now it's just time to use it. So let's recap. First, shift your mindset. Sell like it's already happening. Then, use Canva to build your digital presence, lead magnets, digital products, and visual content. Next, choose one Canva-based business idea that you can start immediately. Finally, stop waiting. Your audience is already out there looking for your offer. So if you made it to the end, thank you so much. Do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around because this channel is all about helping you shift your mindset, stay focused, stay motivated, and turn your business vision into reality. Also, if you want to learn how to start making money online, I got a free guide linked below. And as always, thank y'all again for vibing with me, and I'll see y'all next time.